Welcome back, guys. This is the Tightwaddiy. Today I have a true money-saving tip for you. I love the look of pine straw or mulch in beds around the house. The problem with both is that over time the color fades. So the mulch is still there, the straw is still there, there's still plenty of it, the color just fades away. So I bought this product last fall after seeing a neighbor using it and loving how beautiful it made his yard. But this is a pine straw dye. They make another one for all the three main types of mulch. So the brown, the black, and the red. But it's a dye that you can buy. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description for the video. I'm gonna show you how it works. You just put 2 or 3 ounces of this in a gallon of water and a pump sprayer like this one. And then I go around and I spray my straw. This allows me to get a full year out of my pine straw and still have it looking nice. I use 1 container of it and it covers all the pine straw at my house. So instead of spending another $400 or $500 on straw, I'm spending about $25. So it's mixed, and now I'm going to fill in the areas I've already traced out here. Spraying it one direction first and then coming back perpendicular to make sure everything's covered. Then I have this area, which I haven't done anything on yet. So I'll show you kind of how I outline it first. So I go around with a thin band and then I'm gonna come back with a wider band next to all of that. Once all that's outlined, I can come in and fill it all in. Make sure you don't paint yourself into a corner. So leave yourself an alley to walk out, because if you get it on your shoes, you're gonna get it on your concrete. This is how it looks 5 days after I sprayed it. You can see there's a dramatic difference between last fall straw and the straw that I've sprayed. It looks very natural. My brother came over to my house, who's also very into landscaping, and I asked him if he liked my new pine straw, and then he looked closer and I showed him the stripes up here, and he couldn't believe how realistic the color is on this dye. So it does last pretty much 6 months, and then you would need to reapply or put down new pine straw. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.